Before we get into the video, I just thought I would share that yes, this trip was booked on the pretenses of getting my last page stamped, so you could say mission complete.
And I am so thankful for you both, and I'm so grateful to have time together in an amazing place around the world.
We don't know if our building's on fire, but it's clearly sounding like it.
It was actually really terrifying because I wasn't sure if the building was on fire, and our Airbnb was really high up in this building. So thank God everything was okay and the firefighters were there.
How cool! Currently going to see the, there we go. There is our taxi driver! Woo! We're going to Granville.
Granville Island.
Are we gonna be in this boat? Just us? It's so little. How cute!
What have you guys been doing this morning? I'm so happy.
His brother is from where?
Brother's from Lansing,
England.
England, UK.
And he lives right next to Michael, kind of. So wild!
What do you think about that?
I came out of the bathroom and Ashley gave me this flower! Yay! Here we go!
Good afternoon and welcome on board the Grass Mountain Super Skyway. Our trip up to the top today is going to take us only about 8 minutes as you reach an altitude of 1,100 meters or 3,700 feet above the city of Vancouver.
Well, the views up here have been absolutely spectacular, right guys?
Yeah!
10 out of 10? That sounds really enthusiastic and very believable. Thank you. This is so cool to see.
cool we gotta see it at night,
Oh
too.
my gosh.
That's incredible.
In Vancouver, apparently you can also take a little quick trip to Asia with these Chinese gardens. So neat. It's raining. So we're almost about to get seated at Jam. And there's quite a line, so we have some high expectations, some high hopes for this meal. Our last mission of the trip is to try maple syrup. We need maple syrup.
We need it. Jeff can barely function without the maple syrup.
Apparently it's life-changing. These are my beautiful s'more pancakes. Here it is, the maple syrup. Oh my god.